Assalamualaikum everyone. Today science we are going to learn about the characteristics of different types of birds, which are bird, chicken and ostrich. Every group of birds such as bird, chicken and ostrich have similarities in terms of their body parts, which they have eye, wings, feather, leg and beak. But they have difference in terms of body size, wing size, neck and leg size, number of toes, can fly or not, and many more. First, let's see the characteristics of a bird. A bird has small body size, small wings, small beak, short neck, short leg, and the toes has 4 claws on each leg, and they can fly high in the air. Next is chicken. Chicken has small body size, small wings, and the wings is smaller compared to its body, and it has comb on its head. It also has short neck and leg, 4 claws on each leg, and it also has water under its beak, and the beak is triangular shape. Last but not least, chicken can fly but not very far. They can fly about 10 feet far. Last but not least is ostrich. Ostrich has big body size and it has small wings, long neck and long leg, and the leg has 2 toes with 1 claw on each leg, and the beak is flat and round shape. Even though ostrich has wings, but it cannot fly in the air because the wings is smaller than its body weight, but they can run faster. In a nutshell, even though bird, chicken and ostrich are birds, but Allah Al-Khaliq has created them with different and special characteristics. Subhanallah. Okay, after watching this video, don't forget to fill in this table to test your understanding about these 3 types of birds. Then, we will together make ostrich body parts craft. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum everyone.